Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what Google already recognizes: alternate email addresses, recovery answers, device names, and last known sign-in dates. Once done, make sure you're on the device you normally used and connected to stable Wi-Fi. Google favors familiar devices. Now open a browser and go to Google Account Recovery, then select Find My Account. Tell the form any email or phone you remember. If you don't have the phone number, provide alternate email or full name to let Google narrow results. Next, choose verification paths that don't rely on your missing phone. Opt for an alternate email or request prompts on devices Google already trusts. Provide exact account creation details, month and year, commonly emailed contacts, and locations you use the account from, because accuracy increases success. When Google sends a verification prompt to a known device, approve it immediately. If asked to answer security questions, be truthful and concise. Small mismatches can block progress, so double-check spelling and date formats. Finally, once Google confirms identity, reset your password and immediately add or update recovery options like a recovery email and a backup phone. Make sure the new password is strong and unique, then sign in on your usual devices to re-establish trust. If recovery fails, retry the form with different accurate details and avoid guessing. Repeated, precise attempts are often successful. As a troubleshooting tip, if nothing works, wait 24 to 72 hours before retrying and monitor your alternate email spam folder and device notifications for Google Messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.